Ano ba ang magandang laptop or equipment if you are an executive virtual assistant or a general VA? Now, take note ha, for executive VAs to at saka general VAs. Ano ba yung pinakamaganda? If nasa creatives ka or mga drawing, graphic design, video, baka hindi to for you. But yeah, for executive VAs or general VAs, ang the best talaga para sa akin is iOS. Yep. So MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, yan ang ginagamit ko talaga ever since. For years already, even prior to being in a virtual assistant, yun na talaga yung ginagamit ko pati sa business ko. Lahat kami sa family, yun na rin yung ginagamit. So, 2017 pa ata, yun na yung ginagamit ko. Maganda talaga siya. Prior to using Mac, I was using Windows and ba't bumaba? Oh shit! Bumagsak yung phone. Naghiwalay yung Boya mic ko. Pero gumagana pa din siya. So kudos to Boya. Ayun, nadudulas. Iniba ko na lang yung aking tripod. Diyos ko, dahil muntik na bumagsak na naman yung phone. So bumagsak. Boya, panalo. Naghiwa-hiwalay yung receiver nung mic and ayos pa din siya. O, di ba? Winner, Boya. Kudos. Ayan, for microphones, Boya na. um, lalagyan natin to ng yellow basket. Kaloka yan. Sige, Boya mic, there you go. Okay, so anyway, going back, so I've been a Mac user ever since. Yung ecosystem din kasi ni Mac is very nice. So ang ganda din niya for executive VAs or general VAs kasi kadalasan yung trabaho natin, ang dami nating mga tabs na nakabukas. So kapag lower specs or dati ginagamit ko rin yun sa Windows, tagilid na yung, nararamdaman ko to tagilid na yung naranasan ko din yun sa Windows ko before na kapag ang dami-dami ng, let's say, tabs na nakabukas, bumabagal na siya, tas madalas nagka-crash. So, dito sa Mac, no. Kahit isang damakmak na Google Chrome pa yung nakabukas na ang dami niyang tabs, winner siya. So, yeah, Mac is my favorite. But if you are a gamer, I don't think you would enjoy Mac kasi kadalasan hindi compatible yung mga games niya. So yeah, but for admin work, and admin task for general VAs, executive VAs, Mac pa rin talaga is the best. Wala nang tatalo. If you want to learn more about how to become an executive virtual assistant, all you have to do is click the link in my bio. May online course din po ako teaching you the basics of executive VAs. Yung online course ko na yun is 16 modules with 16 hours worth of videos and madadagdagan pa siya because I'm starting to learn new things now that I'm back to being an executive virtual assistant. So yes, exciting times this 2024. Kakatapos lang ng third quarter ng first quarter ng 2024. And there are so many things that's happening and I'm very excited for that. And if you are excited just like me and you want to start becoming an executive virtual assistant, again, click the link in my bio, join my free learning center. Ang dami niyong matututunan doon. I have the free version of my paid online course that's there also. And that would be, or our free learning center will be updated again with a lot of free stuff on how you will succeed as an executive virtual assistant. Especially, beneficial yon if wala kang pang alam. If gusto mo pa naman makapanood ng iba't iba pang free tutorials or tips or whatever, just click my link in my bio for my YT channel. Marami tayong tutorials doon. There you go. Thank you guys for watching.